Hello everyone and welcome to the Luxie Hair YouTube channel. My name is Pia Shah and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to accomplish this sleek model off duty bun. So I really love this look. I love the middle part. I just think it adds so much symmetry to your face and just gives that 90s supermodel vibe. I did do a normal kind of casual messy bun and it's just a world of difference. This just makes you feel so much more put together. It's amazing for when you have dirty hair and you just don't have time to wash it. It still makes you look, like I said, very put together, and I just absolutely love this look. So please let me know what you think and I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so before we get started with this sleek model bun, it's preferred to have dirty hair, but if your hair isn't dirty, it's okay. I'm going to show you some products that you can use to kind of give it that texture and that feel. But honestly, for this hairstyle, the dirtier your hair, the better. It just really snatches your hair and just makes you look a lot more, it's easier to get a sleek bun this way. There's a few things that you're gonna need. The first thing is, I think, the most important thing, and this is a soft boar bristle brush. This particular one is from the Hair Edit, but really any sort of soft boar bristle brush is going to work. It just really helps keep the hair sleek and it doesn't leave any like comb marks in your hair. And then your hair needs some mousse. So you can use any mousse you like. This is the Sacajuan hair mousse. I really love this one. I feel like it works amazing. Just make sure it's not a mousse that leaves your hair crunchy because you don't want that crunchy feeling in it. And then you're gonna need any sort of hair paste, hair wax, matte pomade, anything like that. I don't like using gel because I don't necessarily want it to be like super shiny and crunchy at the top. So I find that a hair paste or hair pomade works the best. I have one here from Sacajuan and then I have one here from Way. Way has more of a matte finish, whereas Sacajuan just has a little bit more of a shinier, sleeker finish, I guess. I'll leave it up to you guys. Use whatever pomades you want. We are going to start by parting our hair in the middle. My hair is naturally parted in the middle, so I don't necessarily need to take... Okay, well, I think I jinxed myself. Okay, yeah. So part your hair in the middle. Just brush it out. Like that, and then I'm gonna take our mousse, put a generous amount in your hands, work it in, and you can see this one lathers really nicely. And focus this from root to tip. You don't need to do too much to your tips, but what I love about this mousse is it doesn't make your hair, like I said, hard or crunchy, so it just does a really good job at flattening it. And then I'm gonna take a hair paste, hair wax, like I said, whatever you are comfortable with, and take about that much. Just depending on how thick your hair is, you may need more, you may need less. But I like to start off with less and then build up if I need it, because once you have too much product in your hair, there's not really much you can do. And I like to massage it starting from the front of my head and then kind of work my way back. Just like this. And it looks really scary at first. I know. I need a little bit more. Really focus it like right on the sides right here, because that's obviously where you're gonna be sleeking it. Okay, so now that my hair has, you can see, some natural hold on its own, I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna go upwards in a diagonal. So you could see that I'm moving the brush upwards and not, you know, like straight back. I like to gather all of my hair kind of at one time, and then you can see I'll flatten these little pieces. So when you move in a diagonal, when you move your brush upwards like that, it really just snatches your face and it's easier to gather all the hair, and then you just kind of flatten the top part. I like my middle part showing. I think that's kind of what gives it this model vibe. So you can see I kind of avoided this middle section up until the middle of my crown, and then the rest of it I kind of just combed straight back. You can take a little bit more pomade if you need it. Just work it into your fingers like that. Make sure all those flyaways are gonna go into the pony. So now that I'm pretty happy with the position of my ponytail, I'm going to take my first hair tie and just make this really tight. Okay, so now that you have a really tight pony and you can see my middle part is still prominent, I've sleeked back and added a little bit more pomade, moving it upwards in a diagonal just to sleek down any of those flyaways. Now I'm gonna take the remainder of my ponytail and just, you need a hair tie, and then I'm going to spin this clockwise. And I like to leave a little bit of hair out like that, and then spin still clockwise around the pony and kind of leave some pieces out. Then I take my hair tie and loosely wrap this around. And I feel like it's kind of cute when the actual bun itself is a little messy because the rest of the hair is so sleek and put together. And I think it just gives it that model off-duty vibe, like you're not trying too hard, but you still look very put together. What do you guys think? Okay, you guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I absolutely loved creating this for you. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please follow and subscribe Lexi Hair for more tutorials, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is piashaw_, and I hope to see you guys next time.